Hello student, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. This is your subject teacher of English and today we are going to discuss about English grammar chapter 12. In our last video we have also discussed this chapter and we have learned about the polite words, and now today we are going to solve the exercises to the help of the polite words. So student, first of all, tell me what's the name of this chapter? Polite words. Yes. What the spelling of polite words? So Polite. 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 Words. Words. So student, first of all, you all tell me what the means of polite words. So polite word is the word like sorry, please, thank you, welcome, excuse me, please. These all words are called polite words. Okay, this word to show our good manners. So let's solve the exercises of this chapter. So first of all, look at this picture. Each picture is a situation. Read and fill in the blank. So we have to use the polite word in different situation. So first of all, we come to know that word should be used in this given exercises. So first of all, in a classroom, two students are writing. Rima needs a pencil. She asks Hema for one. So what should she say to Hema? So Rima should say, Rima, excuse me, Hema, do you have another pencil? She said, excuse me, Hema, do you have another pencil? I need one. So then Hema said, oh, sure, Rima, you may take this. Then Rima said, thank you. Rima have to say, thank you. Then Hema replied, welcome. So we have to fill up the polite words in first, excuse me. After that, Rima said, thank you. When she got pencil, then she replied, thank you. Okay. And after that, so thank you. So what the spelling of thank you, do you know? Yes, it is T-H-A-N-K, thank, Y-O-U, thank you. After that, when someone thanks us for something, so we should reply welcome. Okay, we should say welcome. And what the spelling of welcome? W-E-L-C-O-M-E, welcome. After that, come to the next situation. There on a playground, Rohit and Sameer are playing. Okay, on a playground, Rohit and Sameer are playing football. Rohit kicks the ball and the ball hits Sameer. Okay, so when Rohit kicked the ball and Sameer got hurt, then what should Rohit say to Sameer? So Rohit said that I am sorry. Okay, so what the spelling of sorry? S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. Okay, when we does a mistake, then we have to say sorry. So Rohit hits the ball and the ball hurts the Sameer. Then Rohit says to Sameer, I am sorry. Sameer, I hope you are not hurt. Then Rohit replied, no, I am fine. Okay, in this situation, we have to use the polite word sorry. Okay, come to the next. In next, there is a Swati wants to go out of the classroom. Pooja is standing in the doorway. Okay, so when we have to want the attention of anyone, so we have to say first of all, excuse me. Then Swati said, excuse me, Pooja. So what the spelling of excuse me, do you know? Yes, it is E-X-C-U-S-E. Excuse me. Excuse me, Pooja. Could you please, what the spelling of please? P-L-E-S-E, please move a little. I want to go out. Then Pooja said, oh sure, Swati, I am sorry. Okay, I am sorry. Next, then Swati said, no. Oh, it's all right. No, it's all right. Then she should say, thank you. Okay. After that, Pooja replied, welcome. Okay, welcome. Come to the next situation. In this situation, there is Tupur gives a pencil to Rahul. What should he say? When someone gives us something, then what should we say? We should say thank you. Okay, we should say thank you. So, Tupur said thank you. So, we have to write thank you. Okay, THANK, thank, YOU. Okay, then what should Tupur reply? So, Tupur say welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Okay, now come to the next. In next exercise, there is write the suitable polite words against each situation. Use words from the box. So here are some polite words and we have to use the suitable polite words to related to situation. Okay, to related to situation. Now come, let's start this exercise. So in first, you wish to borrow a pen. So what should you say? So when we borrow something from someone, then we should say please. What should we say? Please. So what is the spelling of please? Please. Please. Now come to the next. You want to leave the room and the passage is blocked by someone. So we should say excuse me. What is the spelling of excuse me? EXCUSE, excuse, ME, me. Excuse me. After that, in third situation, you want to interrupt someone and say something. What should you say? So we should say excuse me. Okay, when we interrupt someone and say something, we should say excuse me. Okay, after that, come to the next situation. In number 4, your friend gives you some toffees. Then what should you say? We have to say thank you. Okay, we have to say thank you. So what is the spelling of thank you? THANK, thank, YOU. Thank you. Okay, next, in next situation, someone thanks you for something. Then what should you say? So we have to say welcome. We have to say welcome. And what is the spelling of welcome? Do you know? Yes, it is WELCOME, welcome. Next, in next number 6, there is you drop your bag on someone by mistake. Then what should you say? So we should say sorry. And what is the spelling of sorry? SORRY, sorry. Okay, after that, while dining, you want the table salt. So what should you say? So we should say please. And what is the spelling of please? PLEASE, please. After that, you did not understand something and want the teacher to repeat what she said. So what should we say? We should say please. Okay, we should say please. Write down what is the spelling of please. So PLEASE, please. After that, in number 9, your friend gives you his or her class note. So what should we say? We should say thank you. And what is the spelling of thank you? THANK, thank, YOU, thank you. At last, at the dining table, you burp. Then what should we say? We should say sorry. Okay, like this we have to complete the exercise B. After that, come to the next. In next exercise C, find the polite words in the grid. In this grid, we have to find out the polite words which are given in this box. So first of all, there is sorry. So now let's find out where is sorry. So sorry is in the second column. What is the spelling of sorry? SORRY, sorry. Okay, like this we have to circle the word. After that, come to the next. Next word is thank you. Next word is thank you. So where is the thank you? Let's find out. So here is a thank you. Okay, like this we have to circle it. First of all, there is sorry. Next word is thank you. After that, welcome. So where is the welcome? Do you find out this word? Let's. Next word welcome is here in this line. Okay, like this we have to circle out. Find out the word welcome. After that, thank you. After thank you, sorry and welcome, the next word is you are welcome and excuse me. So here you can see there is you are welcome, and here is the excuse me. Like this we have to find out all the given words like sorry, thank you are welcome, and excuse me. We have to circle this all the given polite words one by one like this. Okay, like this we have to find this all the given polite word. So student, after this we have to completing this all the exercises of chapter 12 in our notebooks and books also. Okay, so student, you have to write these exercises in your notebooks with good handwriting. I hope this chapter will be clear to you how to complete and how to learn the polite word, and we have to apply these polite words in our daily life. Okay, thank you.